I am going to discuss about dismantle of TV and its internal structure. First of all, what is TV? It is otherwise called as television. It was invented by John Logie-Baird and it is an important form of multimedia and it is an important electronic device with screen. I remove this proof for explanation purpose. Let's see the dismantle. This board is called as motherboard, otherwise called as mainboard. It is an important internal structure of the TV. This port is very important for the power supply, and this is audio video input and audio video output, and this is HDMI, which is otherwise called as high definition multimedia interface, which is used for transferring both audio and video with a single cable. This is VJ port, and to this the video graphics definition can be seen. This is antenna. Through this the cable can be connected. It is another audio video input, and this is USB port. For the supply of through this we can connect pen drive and so on. This is display cable. Through this we can connect it to the strips, LED strips, and this cable is used for speaker, and this cable is used for remote. This cable is for remote signals. This is SMPS, which is an important part of the motherboard. Otherwise, the full form of the SMPS is switched mode power supply, which is used for transferring power efficiency and converts AC to DC. Let's see about the dismantle of LED. This is LED lights, and this part is called as LED strips. The distance between LED lights and the sheet is of 1 inch. This is LED sheet 1, LED display sheet 1 and display sheet 2.